Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl, Beauty Bella Noria, across all my social media platforms. If you would, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up the video. Of course, get a conversation started with me in the comment section below. But as you guessed it, now we're about to go ahead and go across some different mascaras, eyelash glues, and also some eyebrow products for you guys, just to go ahead and give you guys some more options. Again, this is part of my Ulta haul series that I'm doing for you guys. Between placing 30 and 40 different orders, I just went ahead and broke the orders up into subcategories so that way you're able to look at the different parts that you guys actually look. If you're looking for new eyebrow products, new eyebrow gels, different eyelash glues if you're having a problem with your lashes poking up. If you're ready to go ahead and see my recommendations, pay no attention to that because I was doing lip swatches for you guys. But if you're ready, you guys already know. Just keep watching.
Be the one taking me home. For one thing, really do one.
So the first thing that I got is my absolute hands down 100% fave. When it comes to high end, and I'm cheap, but when it comes to high end eyeshadows, I definitely love two, which is going to be the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club. And then also the NARS Climax mascaras. Absolutely love those. But my OG Holy Grail when it comes to high-end eyeshadows is going to be my Benefit Cosmetics. This is my BADgal bag. They had a buy one get one free. Went ahead and scooped up two of those. These are my favorite. When I say they make your lashes so black, and I did go ahead and get them in the shade black. Black is black. I'm assuming it's black or black is black. I don't see the shade, but I never ever see different shades with them when I'm ordering them. Anyway, they have your lashes so black, so thick, so pretty. They coat so well. They don't smudge. They don't do the whole raccoon thing or anything like that. Once you get your eyelashes set with 1, 2, or 3 coats, just depending on if you're wearing falsies or not, you are good to go for the day. This is the mascara you can go swimming with. And once you get out the pool or get out the ocean and you pat your face dry, obviously you got on mascara. You don't have to worry about raccoon eyes. You don't have to worry about it flaking on your face throughout the day. This is an amazing mascara. I absolutely love this one. And I did want to go ahead and try a new mascara that came in from ULTA Beauty. This is the Twisted Volume Performance, Maximum Performance Mascara. I was reading the different, this is in the shade Jet Black, just so you guys know. I was reading the reviews on this, and a lot of the girls were saying how it just made their eyelashes very wispy and fluttery. But it was super black, and it held the actual curl and gave their lashes just more volume. So I wanted to go ahead and try it out and see how it goes. Not necessarily for my upper lashes, because you guys know I love my falsies, but really on my bottom lashes is where I really shine with mascara. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try and see how it works out. And I did go ahead and re-up on two of my favorite eyelash glues. You guys know I only use two, period. You're only going to see two on my actual channel. It's either going to be the House of Lashes Clear Eyelash Glue. I always get mine in the shade clear or the shade black. It just really depends on how I'm feeling. But this is the only eyelash glue I'll ever use, or the other one from Tarte. And again, with Tarte, it comes in the clear and black. I went ahead and got this one in the black from Tarte. But this is the Tarteist Pro Lash Adhesive. I love both of these eyelash glues because even when you're doing like individual clusters on your ass, like if you don't want to do a strip lash, you just want to stick on some individuals, like the little cluster things. Not like the individuals where you go to a lash technician and get like a full thing of lashes done. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about just the clusters you just want to stick on for one day or something like that. Or your full lash. When I tell you, once you put them on, let these dry for about 1.5 minutes. And then go stick them on your eye and stick them down. And they're going to hold in place all day. At the end of the night, use a little bit of oil to loosen it up and lift it from your actual eye. It does leave down residue. So you definitely want to go into something like warm water and a makeup eraser cloth just to go in and just gently massage your eye to go ahead and get that glue up. It does leave residue, and I know a lot of people don't like that. And a lot of people don't like how strong the hold is. But for me, when I do my lashes and I'm out at an event, at work, at a wedding, at a prom, whatever it is I'm doing, the last thing I'm worried about is one of my eyelashes popping up on the inner corner because I have watery eyes. popping up here on the outside, and I'm sitting around there looking all stupid. And everybody like, what's wrong with her eyes? And I don't even realize one of my lashes like then popped up. So you go to the bathroom and be like, oh shit. And you trying to fix it. Baby girl. I'd much rather deal with a I would much rather deal with a little lash residue at night in the bathroom than to be out in public and have a lash pop up on me and I don't know it and I'm just looking crazy. Not gonna play me like that, no ma'am. Anyway, that's something that I got for you guys. Just to go ahead and tell you, you guys know these are my holy grails. Again, I'm doing my ashy hands because I'm busy doing swatches and stuff. So, sorry guys. Next thing that I went ahead and got in, this is the MAC Selena collaboration. And I did go ahead and get it in the shade Siempre Selena. So this is the MAC collaboration, and there we go. This is a liquid lipstick. It probably should have been in my liquid lipstick haul, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on just so you guys can actually see the actual color. And this is going to be a true red. That is a true blue base red. So when you use blue base reds on your lips, what'll happen is it'll whiten your teeth. So pretty, like prom. Oh my God. Prom and weddings and different things. And the thing about, I love these matte retro liquid lipsticks. I love them so much because once you put them on and once they dry down, the retro matte liquid lipsticks, once you put them on and you let them dry down, they don't budge, they don't go anywhere, they're with you all day, even through eating and drinking. Don't be crazy, kind of be a little cute when you eat. Don't be eating no fried foods, because anytime oils hit liquid lips, it immediately starts to break it up and break it down. But absolutely love that from Selena, the collaboration with MAC. And I did go ahead and get another one of my E.L.F. cosmetics. This is their clear brow and lash mascara. You guys know when I buy these and I use it, you know, for me, for the most part, let me show you the one I have. I use both ends as an actual eyebrow gel just to hold my lashes down, my eyebrows down, and it's $2. And it's super effective. It works. It doesn't matter which side or which edge you actually use. Super love it. Like, super amazing. Definitely love that for $2. And then I went ahead and decided that, you know, since ColourPop keeps changing my eyebrow pencils, I just wanted to go ahead and try some other items out just to try to see if I could possibly find some other eyebrow products. So I did go ahead and get the NYX eyebrow gel, and I did go ahead and get it in the shade Black Noir. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. More like a pomade in a tube, just to go in there and try to see how it works and how it looks on my eyebrows. I'll go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna do a battle of the brows for you guys just to show you guys which ones look better, how it works better. But this is the NYX one that I went ahead and got and wanted to go ahead and try that one out. The next one that I went ahead and got is the XXFine brow. This is their micro brow definer in the shade Deep Brown, and this is coming in from Makeup Revolution. This is their Skin XX makeup brand. So this is what this one looks like. Let's go ahead and open them so this way you guys can at least see the different shades. So this is what this looks like. This thing is heavy. Woo. This thing is heavy. It's heavier than my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And it's also longer than the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Damn it, Lynn, spit it out. I like the fact that it has these little edges. Okay, yeah, spoolie on one end and the actual one. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Okay, so let's go in here and see how it works. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. That's gonna be pretty. And it gives super thin lines as well. And I like the fact that you can roll it up and roll it back down. It looks white, but it's not. I don't know why they come with that little powder stuff on them. I guess to try to help it, keep it. I don't know. Child, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and open this next one up, and we're gonna go ahead and see how it actually works with trying to go in here and actually do an actual brow. Just to go ahead and give you guys a color reference. It comes out thick. Oops. Oops. Okay, so this is all the gel. Oh yeah, you can go in here and do a lot of feathery show strokes with this one. And with this one, a little goes a really long way. With being able to fill in your brows and different things. Like this one, if you want a deeper tail, you can go in with a little bit more product and deepen out your tails. And it's great at shading in too. That is super pretty. Hold on. Let's see some real quick. Oh, that's pretty. That's super pretty. So that was a pretty good eyebrow and everything. Definitely like that one. Oh, that was nice. Okay, guys, so the next thing I went ahead and got in, this is the Fill and Fluff. This is by NYX Cosmetics. This is in the shade Clear, and this was a free gift with purchase that they went ahead and sent me when I bought the other NYX one. So it comes with the little brush, the little eyebrow brush on the end, like ULTA Beauty, and the product itself is actually clear. So I'm guessing this is more like a wax you can put on with your actual brows to keep them up. Yeah, it feels like a wax. Okay, let's go in here and let's see exactly what it'll actually do. So this is the actual brow. Let's go ahead and brush it on up with the actual little toothbrush thing on the end. And let's go ahead and put this wax here and let's just see how the wax, oh, it works like soap brows. It works like soap brows with just being able to take and push your brows up. See what it's doing to my brows? So you just take and you could just take and just push them all the way up if that's something you want to do. So if you guys are into that whole fluffy brow look and stuff, then this will probably be the product for you. It will probably be a little bit cheaper than the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm not a huge fan of my brows looking like that. So yeah. It's a really pretty wax. See, normal brow, the brow with the little clear wax stuff on it. Can't complain. Take and press them in place. And they have a soft hold with no transfer or residue or anything on them. Huh. This is interesting. This is interesting. Huh, look at NYX. I can't even complain. I can't complain and I can't be mad at that. That's pretty nice from NYX. Again, you can see that brow, what that brow looks like, and then my normal brow, what my normal brow would look like. So, NYX did a pretty good job right there. I don't know about the Anastasia Beverly Hills thing because, you know, I didn't buy the little brow glaze thing that she came out with because I'm not into the whole little fluffy eyebrow look. But if you are, and of course it's sold out and you can't get your hands on it or it's a little bit out of your price range, try that NYX Clear one out and see how that works. The next one I went ahead and got in, this is from E.L.F Cosmetics. This is their Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and I got mine in the shade Cool Brown. So let's see how this will work. Why is it not coming out the package? Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. So it comes with the top and two tops on it. It does come with a nice little spoolie on one end and then the actual brow pencil on the other one. This is a pretty thick brow pencil. Let's go ahead and see how it actually plays itself out. It has some really fine marks. So it makes a really fine brow. So that'll be pretty nice to be able to go in there and use. So again, I'll go ahead and use them just to try to see, you know, which one works best for me. Can I go ahead and replace my Color Pop brow pencil since they keep changing and moving it, changing the colors. It goes in and out of stock. Like, I just don't have time. I just need my stuff to work. We'll see what works. And the final one that I got in, this is from Essence. And this is the Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil. It's a 1.5 millimeter slim tip. It's waterproof. And I did go ahead and get mine in the actual shade Dark Brown. So this is what it looks like from Essence. It doesn't have a spoolie or anything else on it. And it is a retractable turn up, and turn down pencil. So you are able to do that, but it doesn't come with the spoolie or anything on it. The bottom is just, it just comes off on the actual bottom, but it's nothing actually there. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh, this comes in and it works the same way as my ColourPop brow pencil does. And it's more of a lighter brown. I'm thinking I'm transitioning out of the ebony with my brows and maybe moving into more of deep dark brown for my brows, just to give it more of a natural look from time to time. I don't know, child. Playing around my brows. I love to play around with my brows. So, and they say it's waterproof. The NYX gel doesn't move. The other one that we use, that one doesn't move or smear. And this one that we just put on, it does have a little bit of smear qualities with it because I just put it on. So we'll see how long lasting they are and how that actually works. So we'll be able to follow up with you guys. But those are actually the brow products and portion of this actual video. That's it, YouTube. Guys, let me know if it's a particular brow pencil that you guys use that you love that's just like Holy Grail Bay. I'm not interested in $18 brow pencils, $20 brow pencils, $30. I go through brow pencils too fast. I like to stay somewhere in the $3 to $10 range when it comes to eyebrow pencils, just because I go through them so fast. They become the most expensive thing in my collection. So if that makes sense and you have something within my budget price range, then definitely leave it for me in the comment section below. But that's it. Guys, I don't care if you're watching me in the morning, afternoon, evening, or late at night. I'm just happy that you chose to come spend some time with your girl. And as always, YouTube, I love you guys. Be safe. Thank you for allowing me back into your life and back into your homes. Until next time, bye, YouTube.